To find trending AI styles in Artlist AI, start by logging into your account and opening either the AI image generator or AI video generator workspace. Once inside the generation interface, you'll be able to access different visual styles that influence how your output looks, including cinematic, realistic, animated, or artistic effects. Next, locate the Style Library or Styles panel within the interface. This is where Artlist organizes different visual styles that can be applied to your prompts. Click on Browse Styles or Explore Styles to open the full collection of available style presets. Inside the Style Library, look for a section labeled Trending or Popular. This section highlights AI styles that are currently widely used by other creators on the platform. These trending styles often reflect current visual trends such as cinematic lighting, hyperrealistic renders, stylized animation, or social media optimized aesthetics. Scroll through the trending styles to preview examples of how each style affects generated images or videos. Each style typically shows sample outputs, so you can quickly understand its visual effect before applying it to your own project. Once you find a style you want to use, click on it to select it. The style will then be applied to your generation settings. After selecting the style, return to the prompt box and enter a detailed description of the image or video you want to create. When everything is ready, click Generate. The AI will process your prompt while applying the chosen trending style, producing an output that matches both your description and the selected aesthetic. If the result is not exactly what you want, you can return to the Style Library and try a different trending style, or combine style adjustments with prompt refinement to improve results. Trending styles are useful because they help you quickly achieve high-quality, modern-looking visuals without needing to manually adjust advanced settings. They are especially helpful for social media content, marketing visuals, concept art, and video storytelling. And that's how you find trending AI styles in Artlist AI. Open the Style Library, browse the trending section, select a style, apply it to your prompt, and generate your image or video with a modern visual look.